Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're at Fort Wilderness in Orlando, Florida. This is our last day. This is our first time staying here. What a wonderful campground. And this bad boy right here is a must for Fort Wilderness. You get to go to all the bus pickups, you get to go to the pools, you get to go to the marina, to the fireworks. But here's a little tip and trick that I have learned. Everybody decorates their golf carts. Why they do that? Well, you'll see if you ever come here, you go to the parking lot where everyone parks the golf carts, and there's 50, 75, 100 of them. So you won't be able to identify yours if you rent it from Fort Wilderness. So we had ours all decorated. I'll drop a picture in of our decorations and some of the others' decorations. Some decorations and lights require 12 volts. So here's a little trick. Fort Wilderness probably does not want you to do this, but my little tip and trick. So you pull this seat up, you can pull it off right here. This is a 48 volt system. Take your voltmeter, switch it to DC. As you can see, this is negative, positive. Well, it's registered about 50.9 volts, but across, these are 6-volt batteries. You measure across 2 batteries. That is a positive. Make sure you have your polarity right. This is a negative. You notice you got 13 volts. So you can hook your LED lights or any other type of 12 volt lights that you want to hook up. Just bring you some alligator clips and clip it right onto these wires right here, and you can run your run your lights off of the golf cart batteries. But again, that's a little tip that I've learned with these golf carts. But we have had a great time. We have done just about everything that you could possibly do at Disney. We only went to one of the parks with the grandkids, went to Magic Kingdom, had a great time, spent 10 hours there. We've been to the pool multiple times. We've been to watch the fireworks every night. The kids love them playing tetherball down at the marina. But we are thoroughly impressed. We are in the premium campsite area. This is what your bathhouse looks like in the premium sites. You have ice machine. Your laundry. You have to download an app on your phone for the washer dryers. They do a real good job. We've used them once while we were here. Again, this is our first time here, and we were here for a week. Thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. We would definitely be coming back. They do have key access is required from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. This is the men's room. Here's an idea of what you get with your premium sites. Nice concrete pad, picnic table, little charcoal grill. Of course, sewer, water, and your 20, 30, and 50 amp hookups. We had a great time. If you're not a follower of the channel, we are the Hen and Rooster RV Adventure. Please consider following. Give us a like and a share. We'll see you guys on the next one. We're headed to Marco and Naples,